Special request from this two lady from Philippines. You'll be on YouTube tonight.
Oh, really?
Yeah, check my YouTube channel.
On the dark there's a highway going in my hair. Warm smell of body dust rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance I saw seeming light. My head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. I asked the sun for the night that stood in the doorway. I heard a missing bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. Still up a candle, show me the way. There were voices down the corridor, I would have them say, welcome to the Hotel Califonia. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. Any time of year, you can find it here. Her mind's stiffly twisted. She got amazing bands. She got a lot of pretty boys. She cool friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer swag. Sometimes to remember, sometimes to forget. So I call up the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had this spirit here since 1969. And since those are voices calling from far away. Wake up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. They're living up at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. May you alibis. Mirror on the ceiling, the pink champagne on ice. And she said, we are just visionary here of our own device. And in the master chamber, they gather over the feast. They step into the steely life, but they just can't kill the breeze. Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find the passage back to the place I was before. We left celebrate, man. We are programmed to receive. You can check it out anytime you like, but you can never leave.